Our Part P course will cover the building regulations, focusing specifically on Part P, which is geared towards anybody working in the electrical industry. The course will give you a good working knowledge of the building regulations in mostly domestic scenarios, but does cover other aspects of the building regulations. It's a 2-day course and classroom based with an exam on the second day. During the course, you will learn how to navigate the IET Electrician's Guide to the Building Regulations book and gain a greater understanding of the building regulations. You will also have a chance to undertake some practice mock exams. The final exam is open book, lasting 40 minutes, and you have to answer 20 multiple choice questions. On successful completion of the course, you will gain a City and Guilds 2393 qualification. You will be competent in your ability to follow the building regulations to the current specifications and how to use that in every part of your job. For more information, please refer to our course page or give us a call so we can answer any further questions you may have.